Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Abul Hussain Sarkar, Assistant Head Teacher, Bhoberchor Wazirli High School, Gojaria, Munshigঞ্জ. Dear students and learners, welcome to my online class. Dear students, I hope all of you are very well and good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Dear learners and viewers, I would like to invite you for joining the online class with great attention and interest. Dear learners and viewers, today our topic is narration oblique speech part 3. Dear students, today I will discuss interrogative sentence. Dear learners and viewers, interrogative sentence. Dear students, interrogative sentence in lieu of reporting verb say, says, oblique say. In the indirect narration, we have to use ask oblique into a verb. Dear students, I repeat. Reporting verb say, oblique says, oblique said. In lieu of say, oblique says, oblique said. In indirect narration, we have to use ask oblique into or of. Dear learners, in indirect narration, the sentence will be changed into assertive. Notice the whiteboard. Reporting verb. Say, oblique says, oblique said. Ask oblique inquiry of. Inquiry of. Conjunction if oblique whether. Dear students, interrogative sentence reporting verb. Reporting verb say oblique says oblique said. Dear learners, in lieu of reporting verb say oblique said, we have to use in the indirect narration ask oblique into a. Conjunction, we have to use if oblique whether. Dear students, you should remember that if the reported speech begins with auxiliary verb such as am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, can, may, could, etc., the conjunction if oblique whether will be used. Dear students, I repeat it. If the reporting verb begins say oblique says oblique said, in the indirect narration we have to use in lieu of say oblique says oblique said, ask oblique inquiries. Conjunction if oblique whether will be used. When conjunction if oblique whether will be used, you should bear in mind that if the reported speech begins with auxiliary verb am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, can, may, could, etc. Then if oblique whether will be used between reported verb and reported speech. Here, dear students, look at the whiteboard. Direct, he said to me, are you in? Indirect, he asked me if I was in. Dear students, say this is reporting verb. Are you in? This is reported speech. Interrogative sentence. Indirect, he asked me if I was in. According to rules, he said to me, indirect, he asked me if this is conjunction. At first, we have to make it assertive. You are it. Change of person. You, this is second person. Second person close the object. Object me. In lieu of me as a subject, we have to use I. Change of tense. Are you in? This is present indefinite tense. Present indefinite will be past indefinite. Was in. Direct, he said to me, are you in? Indirect, he asked me if I was in. Here. Next example, I said to her, do you eat rice? Dear learners, said, this is past indefinite tense. Do you eat rice? This is reported speech, present indefinite tense, and also interrogative sentence. Dear students, at first we have to change into assertive sentence. Do you eat rice? Assertive, you eat rice. Indirect narration, I asked her. Direct narration, I said to her, I asked her, here two will be removed. I asked her if conjunction, do you eat rice? Its assertive is you eat rice. You, subject. This is second person. Second person close the object. Ha. We have to use here as a subject. We have used here as a subject she. Do you eat rice? This is present indefinite tense. Present indefinite will be past indefinite. Eat. This is B1. This is B2. The past form of verb. I asked her if she had rice. Dear learners and viewers, you have to bear in mind that if the reported speech begins with auxiliary verb, here are, do, am, is, are, etc. And if we are got through its answer yes oblique no, we have to use if oblique whether as a conjunction. Conjunction if oblique whether will be used between reporting verb and reported speech. Okay? Dear students, next example. Direct, he said to me, did you go to school yesterday? Indirect, he asked me if I had gone to school the previous day. I repeat, dear learners, said this is reporting verb, past indefinite tense. Did you go to school yesterday? This is reported speech, past indefinite tense. This is interrogative sentence. Did you go to school yesterday? We get its answer yes oblique no. Did you go to school yesterday? Yes oblique no. So, if the reported speech begins with auxiliary verb am, is, are, do, does, did, the conjunction will be used if oblique whether between reporting verb and reported speech. Dear learners and viewers, he asked me if conjunction did you go to school yesterday? This is past indefinite tense. If we make it assertive, the sentence will be you went to school yesterday. Past indefinite in the indirect tension will be past perfect. Here is subject, second person close the object. Me, this is also object. We have to use in lieu of me subject. Subject I, past perfect tense, auxiliary verb, had, go. This is B1. The past participle for gone. This is B3. To school, the previous day. Direct, he said to me, did you go to school yesterday? Indirect, he asked me if I had gone to school the previous day. Yesterday, this is adverbial change, the previous day. Clear? Dear learners, if the reported speech begins with question words WS, WS question words. WS question words. These question words are what, where, when, which, who, whose, why, and how. Dear learners, if the reported speech begins with these question words, in brief WS, we have to use these question words in indirect narration. Dear students, I repeat, if the reported speech begins with question words WS such as what, where, when, which, who, whom, whose, why, how, then these question words will be used. These question words will be used between reporting verb and reported speech. Clear? Dear students, next example, direct, he said to me, where do you live? Here said past tense, where do you live? This is reported speech, interrogative sentence. Question word WS, where? Dear students, if the reported speech begins with WS question words, these question words will be used between reporting verb and reported speech. He said to me, where do you live? Indirect narration, he asked me, where? Do you live? It's assertive, you live. Present indefinite, past indefinite. You, this is second person, close the object. Me. Here, me object, subject I. Present indefinite, past indefinite, lived. This is due to past form of verb. Clear? Next example, I said to him, what are you doing? What are you doing? What? This is question word. What are you doing? This is reported speech, present continuous tense. Present continuous will be past continuous. Dear students, in direct narration, I asked him, what you are doing. You, this is also second person, close the object. Object him, the subject will be he. Present continuous, past continuous, auxiliary verb was, doing, verb plus ing. I asked him what he was doing. The third example is the teacher said to the boys, why are you making a noise in the class? Dear students and viewers, why are you making a noise in the class? This is present continuous tense intermediate sentence. Question word why has been used here. In direct relation, the teacher asked the boys, why are you making a noise in the class? Its assertive is, you are making a noise in the class. This is present continuous tense. According to rule, if the reporting verb is past tense, the tense of reported speech will be changed. This is why present continuous will be past continuous in the indirect narration. You are making a noise in the class. Here subject you. Second person, close the object. Here object, the boys. This is plural. The boys such as Karim, Rohit, Ram, Sham, Jodu, Modu, etc. In lieu of the boys, we have used here as a subject pronoun the. Present continuous, past continuous, there is always plural, so we have used here auxiliary verb where, making verb plus ing. A noise in the class, this is also extension. Dear students, direct, the teacher said to the boys, why are you making a noise in the class? Indirect, the teacher asked the boys why they were making a noise in the class. Dear learners and viewers, I repeat, if the reported speech begins with question word WH such as what, where, when, which, who, whom, whose, why, how. Conjunction, if oblique, conjunction, this, if oblique, in lieu of if oblique, we have to use this question word between reporting verb and reported speech. Dear students, I repeat, if the reported speech begins with question word WH such as what, where, when, which, who, whom, whose, why, and how. These question words will be used between reporting verb and reported speech. Dear learners and viewers, today I am going to finish my lesson. The next class I will discuss imperative sentence. No more today. Thank you everybody. See you in the next class. Goodbye.